How do you build a personal brand that attracts clients and investors? I believe it's a slow process. Hindi mo pwedeng madaliin kasi it's about your unique value proposition. It's about the values that you project your customers and clients. It's about the journey that you took. It's about the kind of service that you will deliver to your customers. Customers think of your brand. Ano na isip nila? Nasa isip ba nila is, I can trust this brand. It is very consistent in delivering the expectation of the customer. So, it takes time kasi building trust takes time. Hindi naman siya pwede na nangyari just because you have a beautiful logo or beautiful graphics. They are important, but the process, the journey that you go through in building that brand is something that is built because of your personality, your strong character, your determination to serve your customers. At doon ka nagkakaroon ng image sa customers mo na itong brand na ito mapapagkatiwalaan. That's why hindi siya instant. You can only build it through time. Na na-test ka ng customers na hindi ka mag-under-deliver. Hindi ka mag-over-promise. What you say is what they expect. Dapat merong trust ang customers in the end. It takes time to build trust. Parang relationship. It takes time for you to build a relationship, a lasting relationship with your friends. Kinakailangan hindi nasisira yung trust. That is the foundation of building a brand.